Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the font or font style for your text in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress or Impress. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your presentation. I will go for that example one here. Navigate to the slide and highlight the text from your text box. And what you want to do next is select the given font from the font name list in the top left and select one of these. That's it. Alternatively, guys, you may right click into it, select character, or use the shortcut Alt-C. And here in the font menu to the left, choose one of these fonts from these lists here. Like, for example, I don't know, any of these, and you will see the preview below. Click into OK. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.